Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to go quickly viral on Threads. Going viral on Threads, whether it's on social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or forums, often requires a combination of factors. Here are some strategies to increase your chances of going viral quickly. Number 1. Create content that is engaging, unique, and relevant to the audience of the platform. Number 2. Incorporate eye-catching visuals such as images, videos, or GIFs to make your thread stand out in a crowded feed. Number 3. Post your content at times when your target audience is most active on the platform. Number 4. Engagement with audience. Respond promptly to comments and engage with your audience by asking questions or encouraging discussions. Remember, going viral is not guaranteed, and even with the best strategies, success can be unpredictable. However, by consistently creating engaging content and engaging with your audience, you can increase your chances of achieving viral success on Threads. So that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.